Halfway into the Mi Mix 2's product cycle, Xiaomi releases the Mi Mix 2S, an incremental update to the Mix 2, or a successor and a half to the original Mi Mix. The Mix was the first smartphone to push Android's limits by incorporating a display that was taller than 16:9, thus calling for Android to change its design rules and introducing OEMs with a new hardware dimension to play around with. The Mi Mix 2S is a step forward for the Mix series in that it puts a stronger focus on the overall camera experience. It has a brighter f/1.8 and larger 1.4 micron pixels. Despite its premium hardware design, Xiaomi manages to keep the phone's cost below the entry-level iPhone price, and the camera department was a cost-effective element on the previous Mix devices. The Mi Mix 2S got an overall score of 97 with DxO Mark, so we certainly have high expectations from this camera. Camera side, the Mi Mix 2S does not have too many physical differences against the Mi Mix 2. The display is the same 6-inch display with an 18:9 aspect ratio with an IPS LCD display panel. Although the handset's footprint is barely smaller than the Mi Mix 2, the Mix 2S is less than half inch thicker to accommodate the Qi wireless charging coil, the first one on any Xiaomi device ever and the first on any smartphone with a ceramic back. The Mi Mix 2S also brings the updated Snapdragon 845 CPU and a more expansive 256GB storage option. Like the Mi Mix 2, the 2S still has neither a microSD slot, nor a 3.5mm headphone jack. Also, like the previous Mix devices, the Mix 2S does not carry an official ingress protection rating, so keep this guy away from water. For those wondering, the charger is rated for 3 different modes of power output, 5 volts at 3A, 9 volts at 2A, and 12 volts at 1.5A. Xiaomi also showed us its official wireless charger. To keep costs down, it doesn't come with its own power adapter. Instead, the wireless charger takes a USB-C plug. It is rated to be used with an 18 watts power brick, but we'd recommend you stick with the Xiaomi one. The hardware design is unchanged from the Mi Mix 2, although there is one or two main differences in appearance. For one, the Mi Mix 2S has Xiaomi's updated dual camera and has placed it over to the top left, while its rear-mounted fingerprint sensor's placement has remained untouched. The vertical camera setup's appearance and location are quite explicitly designed to look like an iPhone X's.